What's up, guys? We're the CNC dudes, and the videotaper is my mom this time. And now, in the last video, we opened a Pokemon that I forgot, and now we're gonna open one that I don't know his name because his neck is big. So let's get started. We have opened it. Let's see. So it looks like it comes with a card, a coin, and some other stuff that I was not expecting. So let's open it. So first up is the card. Now we have the code card. Now we have a big case. We have a coin. We have, ooh, it comes with a battle arena. This one I did not expect comes with a battle arena. Nope, it does not come with a battle arena. But it comes with these cardy things. It is a battle arena. This is the battle arena. I don't want to open it because it's gonna go like. So yeah. So now let's do another back at the coin, the case, and the card. Now we're gonna open it. It comes in individuals. I thought it was gonna come in like packs. Okay, so we're gonna start at the back and see what we did. Number one, we have an energy. Another energy. Another energy. Another energy. Now we have a lily. Now we have a potion, another energy. We have a rescue stretcher. We have the eggs that is the first evolution of the Alolan, of that one. You see? Energy. We have a Alolan of this one in the Alolan Slime Slash. Nest Ball, Energy, Alolan Ratatat, Lady, Ha, Energy, Keybone, Ultra Ball, Energy, Alolan, Sandshrew, another Alolan Ratatat, Energy, Skateboard, and our first Pokemon, Furfrou, Field Blower, Energy, another one. We're getting like duplicates. Another one. Look at this. Look at this.
Cool.
Energy, another one. Professor, Energy,
Soul Rock,
Escape Rope,
Phone,
Energy, Alolan Ratatat, Alolan Marowak, Energy, Alolan Ratatat, Alolan Raticate, Ha, Energy, Energy Lodo, Oricorio Energy.
Another Sandshrew.
Another Sandshrew. Professor. Weak Policy. Alolan. Eradicate. Ultra Ball Energy. Keybone. And Execute. I was hoping we would get a GX or an EX or a Brave, but we had no luck. Bye. Comment down below if you like this video and subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Bye.